Alright guys, apart from ordered list and unordered list, another type of list that can be found online are description lists. Unlike ordered and unordered list, the description lists are not often used actually. And to accomplish description list in an HTML document, DL tag is used. The DL element requires two block level element, that is DT and DD. The DT represents the description term and DD represents the description of the term actually. Let's see the description list by an example here. So right now here we are having index.html file with standard HTML document, and here inside the style.css we have normal styles, and our page looks something like this. Now we will have one description list on our page. So to represent description list we use DL tag, and inside the DL tag there are two block level elements, that is DT and DD. DD is description term. So let's say bread, this is the description term, and DD that can be used for description definition, that we can say. For the bread we can say baked food made of flour. And let's see one more DT here. Now this time say coffee, and description for the DT is a drink made from roasted coffee beans. Now save it. Let's see how exactly our DL and DT looks like. Give it a refresh. So here we have, that is, this bread is our DT, and this a baked food made of flour actually. So here made of flour is the DD. First of all, let's increase the font size. Let's say DL font size 24 px. Now save it, give it a refresh. Here we have. So this is our description list. Inside this description list we have two description terms, that is bread and coffee, and accordingly we have description definition also. Similar to the OL and UL, DL elements include vertical margins. So if we inspect here, let's inspect here, let's see DL here. So as we can see, DL is also having margin block start 1 em and margin block end 1 em. That is our vertical margin, we can say, or vertical offset. And DD elements includes left margin. Let's inspect DD now. So here we have DD. So we can see there is one property here, margin inline start 40 px. So this is the left margin for the description definition, or DD. Alright guys, sometimes the description list may have multiple terms per description as well as multiple descriptions per term. For example, let's have one more description list on our page. So I'm just copying and pasting here. Here I already have one content for the another description list, so I'm just copying and pasting here. So here is our another description list after the first description list, that is here, from here. Now save it, then give it a refresh. Alright, so here we have our second, from here actually, second description list. Inside this second description list we have one description term study, and this is the description definition, or DD, for this DT. And we have one DT here, that is design, and for this design this is the description definition actually, so DD. And at the end we have two description term, that is DT business also and DT work also, and this is the description definition, or DD, for these two description term. Alright guys, so this is all about description list. As earlier also I have mentioned that the description list are not more often used, but OL and UL are the list which are oftenly used whenever we build any website.